Durable's new AI assistant is your virtual helper to get the most out of your Durable website. This is really a game changer, and with AI developing fast, we can expect much more awesomeness in the future. So let's give a look at our lawn curing website we created with Durable AI. If you are keen to know how we did it, check out this video or follow the link in the description. Back into the Durable backend, we see the AI assistant here. The AI assistant menu has 3 sub-menus. The dashboard comes with ideas and a mask you can key in your questions or tasks. Under the document tabs, you see past prompts. We previously asked the AI assistant to create an Instagram post for our lawn mowing service. The result came in seconds, including a picture plus relevant hashtags and description. In the Settings tab, you can specify the AI model and opt for the language you want to use. The AI assistant is not only the perfect tool to create content out of your existing Durable website, it also allows direct prompts for editing your site. For example,
create a pricing table for my service.
We can use these results and add them into a new page on our Durable website. The AI assistant is also a great consultant. Let's test it.
What is a good advertisement budget for a small business like mine?
The answer, again, is very helpful and might be the right input if you need to make decisions. However, don't assume Durable AI Assistant equals ChatGPT in all its dimensions. Some limitations need to be taken into account. As we want to change the address of our business to Houston, Texas, we are only left with the choice to change our business address manually. In other words, the system forces us to use a preset prompt here. But all in all, Durable AI Assistant is a fantastic feature, and to get it with their AI website builder, you should really check out our Durable review here or through the link below.